Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will state some postulates of Euclid. Postulates of Euclid. Some postulates of Euclid are stated as. These postulates should also be remembered. A is things which are equal to the same thing, which are equal to the same thing. Or equal to one another. Second is if equals are added to equal, if equals are added to equal, the wholes are equal. The wholes are equal. Third postulate is if equals are subtracted from equals, equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. The remainders are equal. Another postulate is things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. Things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. Another postulate is the whole is greater than its parts. The whole is greater than its parts. Another postulate is things which are double of the same things are equal to one another. Equal to one another. And last postulate is things which are halves of the same things. Things which are halves of the same things. Same thing are equal to one another. After this we will state what are consistent axioms. Constant axioms, a set of axioms is said to be consistent, This should be remembered also. If it is impossible to deduce, from these axioms, from these axioms, a statement that contradicts any axioms or previously proved statement After this we will state independent axioms. And an indivisible axiom is said to be independent if it cannot be logically deduced from the other axioms statements in the system. After this we will state what is meant by theorem or preposition. Prepositions. The proved statements are called theorems or prepositions. After this, we will state what is meant by Playfair's axiom. Playfair's axiom states for every line L and for every point P, not lying on L, there exists a unique line. Passing through P and parallel to M. Unique line M passing through P and is parallel to L This is line L. This is point P not lying on line L, and from this point there is only one line, that is M, which passes through this P point and is parallel to L line. After this we will state what is meant by an angle. An angle is a figure formed by two rays two rays originating from the same endpoint. Originating from the same endpoint. The two rays are called arms of the angle. Arms of the angle. And the same endpoint is called vertex. And the same endpoint is called vertex of the angle. Vertex of the angle. This is the diagram of the angle. This is vertex O. This is arm OA and this is arm OB. Angle is formed AOB, which is formed at point O. OA is one arm of the angle and OB is another arm of the angle. AOB. Angle AOB.